Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dhruvi and I'll be really happy if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So in today's video I'm going to show you a affordable base. So if you are interested then keep on watching.
I don't know why I'm stuck around with you. I've been told I should go find myself again. You're taking my soul, everything I own, poison in my head. We fall down the more we.
Right now I have nothing on my face. First step is moisturization. For moisturization I'm going to use this VLCC's Insta Fair and Glow moisturizer. I'm going to take a little amount on my hand and then spread all over my face. I'm done with my moisturization. Next step is foundation. So for foundation I have the Olivia's liquid foundation in the shade Natural Glow 02. Same, I'm going to take a little amount on my hands. With the help of brush I'm going to apply on my face. I'm going to take and then just dab. And then next I'm going to blend it using the same brush. Finished applying my foundation and next step is concealer. For concealer I'm going to use this Olivia's makeup stick in the shade 03 Natural. I'm just going to apply on my under eye, also on my bridge of the nose, the lip area and the forehead. Then I'm taking the same brush for foundation which I used. I'm going to blend it. Done with my concealer. Next step is compact or baking. For that I'm going to use this Johnson & Johnson baby powder. I'm going to take an amount on my hand and by using a brush I'm going to apply it under my eyes. I'm done with the baking. I'm going to use this Olivia's compact powder in the shade 04 a Natural Rose. Next I'm going to contour my face. So for contouring I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette, and from that eyeshadow palette I'm going to use this brown shade. I have a triangular brush with me for contouring. I've took the product in my brush. I'm going to contour from ear to ear, from the ears till my lips. I'm done contouring my nose as well. Next step is blush. And for blush I'm going to use this I Love Matte SFR color blush. I'm going to use this peach shade. Next step is highlighter. So for highlighter I'm going to use this SFR's bronzer, highlighter bronzer. I'm going to take in a brush and then just apply on my cheekbones.